beautiful, but dangerous.
Some houseplants look beautiful. But what if I told you a few of them can quietly harm your pets, your kids, and even you without any warning? These plants may be sitting in your living room right now, and you don't even know how dangerous they really are. But don't worry, my friend. Stay with me. I'll show you the truth in a simple and calm way, so you can keep your home safe. And if you love learning helpful tips about houseplants, make sure to subscribe so you never miss my next videos. Dieffenbachia dumkane. Scientific name: Dieffenbachia sagine. Origin: native to tropical regions of Central and South America. Why it's dangerous? The sap contains calcium oxalate crystals that burn the mouth and throat. If a child or pet chews the leaves, it can cause swelling pain and temporary inability to speak. That's why it's called dumkane. Oleander. Scientific name: Miriam oleander. Origin: Mediterranean region and parts of Asia. Why it's dangerous? All parts of the plant are extremely poisonous. Even a small amount can affect the heart, causing irregular heartbeat, dizziness, or severe poisoning in pets and humans. If you've learned something new so far, hit the like button. And let's continue with 2 more dangerous plants. Peace lily. Scientific name: Spathiphyllum wallacei. Origin: native to tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Why it's dangerous? Although beautiful, peace lily contains toxins that irritate the tongue, lips, and stomach of pets. Cats and dogs may drool, vomit, or struggle with throat irritation if they chew its leaves. Sago palm. Scientific name: Cycas revoluta. Origin: native to southern Japan. Why it's dangerous? This plant is extremely toxic to pets. Even a single seed contains a poison called cycacin, which can damage the liver, cause vomiting, bleeding, and can be fatal for dogs and cats. Before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these 4 dangerous plants surprised you the most? If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves houseplants. May your plants stay healthy, and may your home always be full of peace and safety.